Good evening. Today is Tuesday, April 2, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the STL Story 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 2, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the STL Story 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, April 2, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of April 2, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.